Storytelling, terrific insights, have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Nobody loves me, be like. Sometimes we say nobody loves me when what we really mean is I'm feeling lonely today. 1. I feel like nobody loves me today. Reason, feelings can be temporary. Tomorrow might feel completely different. 2. I feel a little forgotten. Reason, people can be busy without meaning they don't care. 3. I wish I felt more appreciated. Reason, everyone deserves to feel valued and noticed. 4. I'm feeling lonely right now. Reason, loneliness is a feeling, not proof that you're unloved. 5. It feels like everyone is busy except me. Reason, sometimes timing makes loneliness feel bigger than it really is. 6. I could really use some kindness today. Reason, asking for support is a healthy way to reconnect. 7. I feel like I'm invincible. Reason, being overlooked doesn't mean you're unimportant. 8. I miss having someone to talk to. Reason, human connection can make difficult days easier. 9. I feel like the forgotten potato in the friendship basket. Reason, humor can make heavy feeling easier to express. 10. I wish someone would check on me. Reason, sometimes people don't realize you need support until you tell them. 11. I feel disconnected from everyone. Reason, reaching out can be the first step toward rebuilding a connection. 12. Maybe I'm having a lonely chapter, not a lonely life. Reason, difficult seasons don't define your entire future. 13. I feel like my social battery is at 1%. Reason, sometimes loneliness and exhaustion can arrive together. 14. I want to feel understood. Reason, being heard can be just as comforting as receiving advice. 15. I wish I had more meaningful connections. Reason, quality relationships makes more than having a huge crowd around you. 16. Today feels like everybody got invited except me. Reason, feeling left out hurts, but it doesn't determine your worth. 17. I'm going to be kind to myself today. Reason, self-compassion matters, especially when you're feeling down. 18. I may feel unloved, but that doesn't mean I'm unloved. Reason, feelings aren't always accurate measurements of reality. 19. I don't need everyone to love me. Reason, a few genuine connections can make more than universal approval. 20. Maybe love isn't missing. I just need to notice it differently. Reason, care can appear in tiny actions, friendship, family, kindness, and even moments of self-respect. So, if you're thinking nobody loves you, take a breath. Maybe your heart is simply asking for connection, kindness, and a little attention. And hey, don't forget to give yourself some of that love too. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias!